Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Welcome back. I want to tell you all about the newest Galaxy, the groundbreaking Galaxy S26 Ultra, featuring an outstanding camera and a customized processor for incredible performance. Let's dive in. Hi, can I help you?
Hi, yeah, I'm actually looking for a new phone.
Any specific needs you have in mind?
Well, basically I commute a lot and my phone just can't keep up. But on top of the battery issue, I also really worry about other people looking at what's on my screen. I heard Samsung has a new feature for that.
Well, the new Galaxy S26 Ultra totally has you covered. And the feature you mentioned, that's the world's first privacy display on mobile. Are you already using a screen protector?
Yeah, it's annoying for movies, gaming, or sharing my screen, but privacy still matters to me.
You're gonna love this.
Okay, I definitely want to check that out.
First, let me show you how easy it is to turn it on and off. Just pull down the quick panel and tap here. See how it narrows the viewing angles from the side?
This way people around me can't see anything. And this is way clearer than with a screen protector.
S26 Ultra uses pixel control technology that keeps the front view clear while darkening the screen from the sides.
Whoa.
You can also customize it to switch on automatically from many apps. It can also hide only the notifications while keeping the rest of the screen visible.
Really?
Tap Privacy Display, choose Conditions for turning on, tap here, and done.
Wow, I've never seen anything like this.
You'll also get our most powerful processor, customized for Galaxy, for seamless performance, even when you run a lot of apps.
Yeah, I switch apps all the time. Between work and my favorite shows while on the go, I think I always have a video on in the background.
Well, this is our fastest processor yet, so app switching is always smooth. We boosted NPU, GPU, and CPU to enhance speed and overall AI performance.
Sounds like it'd be really good for gaming too.
Definitely, it's very smooth. Try it.
This is really smooth.
Feel how cool the device is? That's because the Galaxy S26 Ultra has a redesigned vapor chamber that's been improved to efficiently release heat. Even when gaming for long stretches, it stays cool and fast.
Cool.
And the processor is so efficient, the battery can last all day. It can also charge faster, 75% battery in just 30 minutes.
The performance is amazing. I'm ready to switch.
Welcome to Galaxy. Let's head over to the checkout.
Thank you so much. Let's do it.
Hi, interested in the new Galaxy S26 Ultra?
Yeah, we heard the camera's amazing, so wanted to check it out.
Well, then the Galaxy S26 Ultra is just for you. The ProVisual Engine is elevated, powered by our most powerful processor yet. And with the 200 megapixel camera paired with our f1.4 aperture, you get amazing detail and stunning night shots and videos.
It all sounds great.
You can take amazingly clear and next-level selfies with plenty of details and great color, all thanks to the integrated AI ISP in the front camera.
Better selfies, that's what I'm all about.
Why don't we go give the camera features a try?
Sure, why not?
You're gonna love this. Try getting some shots of her over there with the 200 megapixel camera.
Okay. Oh, wow. I can see her getting several pieces of content from just one shot.
I can even see the details of her earring.
The pendant design too. The lighting and colors are so natural.
Right? Every image gives you multiple cuts to work with. Amazing detail, right?
Yeah,
How do they look?
they're incredible.
Great! Can you try with me standing here?
This is really far away.
You can still get remarkable detail with the zoom.
I still get a clear shot this far away. I didn't even notice the fish buns over there.
Try looking for something even further. Try zooming into 100 times.
That's crazy. I only noticed that because of the zoom.
Pretty impressive, right? Let's try a selfie with her.
Try what with me?
A selfie. Ready?
Love this.
Especially the texture and tone.
Yep, it always gives you natural and realistic images.
What about video quality?
Video is fantastic too. Let me show you the new Super Steady with horizontal lock. It lets you capture stable videos and locks the horizon steady when you're in motion and can't see your screen. First, tap the Super Steady button, then turn on horizontal lock here, and you're all set.
You want to take this for a test run?
The gyro and acceleration sensors work together to deliver stable, smooth video.
Whoa.
This is really steady.
Enhanced stabilization keeps your video level, even when you're moving. And see how it stays horizontal?
That's a game changer.
Fish buns. They look so cute. Can we try getting some shots over there?
It's a little dark.
That's a good challenge for the camera, right?
Yeah, absolutely. The S26 Ultra was made for bright videos even at night.
Wow, look at that.
Galaxy outdid itself for nighttime shots this year. The night video capabilities are even more exceptional. Thanks to the f1.4 aperture, you can shoot with more light, less noise, and detailed contrast.
This is even better than what I expected.
Seeing is believing, right?
Definitely. I'm glad we came in today to try this out.
Shall we head back?
Sure.
Let's pick a color. Thanks for showing us.
Anytime. Let me know if you have other questions. There you have it. The new Galaxy S26 Ultra pairs our best camera with our ultimate performance, delivering stunning shots day and night while handling tough tasks with ease. With the world's first privacy display on mobile. If you're curious, stop by one of our stores to try it out for yourself. I'll see you next time.